Pranam to all. I hope you all can recognize which flower is this. A shrubby perennial chrysanthemum is valued for the masses of bright daisy-like flowers that adorn the plant in late summer and autumn. This is our last year chrysanthemum flower. Today I will tell you how to grow chrysanthemum from cutting or from your previous plant. This is our last year chrysanthemum plant. We tried to save the plant until monsoon comes. Its blooms are sometimes single or double, and the range of color includes shades of red, yellow, white, orange, and lavender. Last year, after the flower bloomed, we cut all the faded flowers. Then we kept the plant under a shaded area. The Delhi's temperature is too high. That's why this plant's health is not very good. Okay, now we are removing the plant from the pot. Keep in mind, it is done very gently and carefully. The roots should not be damaged. Just wait and see how many plants we can grow from just one mother plant. My mom is keeping all the new plants for repotting it. And this time you can also trim the root. There are some growing conditions for garden mums. They need full early sun, at least 5 to 6 hours daily. They need plenty of air circulation, water drainage, and full sunlight. It helps to steady the stem and makes the plant bushy. Chrysanthemum are pretty tough but can thrive on their own. But they benefit from light and frequent feeding with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. We have only separated one plant, the others we will do later. Now we have to prepare the soil for the plant. You must give your plant a soil which is fertile, well-drained, sandy or loamy soil with a pH around 6.5. My mom makes the soil with garden soil, coco peat, tea leaf compost and kitchen waste compost. Mix all the ingredients properly. Remember to put your soil under sunlight. After that, you can use your soil in your planters. Before planting your plant, you can trim some of the roots and trim some of the unwanted leaves. In this channel, we have already uploaded a lot of videos about how to take care of chrysanthemum plant. So you can check it out. I think you will get a nice idea about this chrysanthemum plant. We have also uploaded videos about how to use chrysanthemum flower. We have uploaded about how to make tea from chrysanthemum flower and how to make bioenzymes from chrysanthemum flower. We will send these links in the description box so you can go and check it out. After you have done planting your plants, go and water them. Okay, now I will tell you how to grow your own chrysanthemum plant from just cutting. First, remove a 4 to 6 inch length of a stem from a healthy mature chrysanthemum by pinching the stem with your fingertips. Then put the cutting part into the aloe vera gel. After that, you can directly plant your chrysanthemum plant. Or you can get a piece of aloe vera leaf and then put the stem inside the aloe vera leaf and then plant it. It helps to grow roots easily. We will time to time share about the condition of the plant and the care of the plant. You can try this out too, and I hope your garden has a lot of flowers this year. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.